Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello everyone, welcome back to another how to make video. Welcome back ladies and gentlemen and beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Cho Creation Designs. We're going to go right into this here video. All right, so here are the items that you will need to achieve the how to make DIY earring that I'm going to show y'all how to make, okay? You're going to need some wire cutters, some round nose pliers. You're going to need some seed beads, okay? I got these from Walmart. You can use any color seed beads that you have. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter, okay? But I did get these from Walmart just in case somebody asks. You're going to need 2 coral shells. You're going to need 2 fish hooks. You're going to need 2 pieces of wire. One piece is 12 gauge. You're going to need 2 pieces of 12 gauge aluminum wire, 15.5 inches long. And you're going to need 2 pieces of 20 gauge wire. 2 pieces of 20 gauge wire because you're going to need a piece per earring. 12 inches long, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get right on into this video. So the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to assemble our body, and you want to use 36 beads. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to be lining it up according to the color. I'm just going to be counting. Okay, so I'm going to count 36 beads. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Then do 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And we need 6 more. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. Okay, so we got 36 beads on there. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to bend our wire together, and you're gonna make like the shape is going to be like a circle, kind of, sort of, okay? And all we're going to do is bring these 2 pieces together like this, okay? Bring them together, and that's what you should have. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to twist this we're going to twist it about 6 times. We're going to twist it about 6 times. So we're going to bring them together. Okay. And we're going to twist it about 6 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. And that's what you're going to have. Let me straighten this up. Now you want to bring your wire like this. Okay, your wire should be like this. This should be your earring and your wire should be facing this way. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our coil shell. We're going to put it in the middle. We're going to make sure that the wire goes down in between the coil shell. We're going to push these two pieces up together, just like this, okay? And then you're going to take your back piece and start wrapping it around your front piece, okay? So we're going to start wrapping it, and you can wrap it about as how many times as you see fit, okay? So I'm going to do it about maybe 3-4 times. So that's 1, this is 2, 3, and 4, okay? And then I'm going to snip this off. This extra piece right here, I'm going to snip that off. Okay, so I'm going to snip this off like that. And then I'm going to take my pliers and squeeze this in. Okay. And then I'm going to make a loop. So I'm going to actually pinch this over just a tad bit like that. Take my pliers and make myself a loop. Just like this. Okay. And then I'm going to take and then start wrapping this around just like this. Okay. All right. And then I'm going to snip off this little extra piece right here. So I'm going to snip this off. All right. And take my pliers and squeeze that and tuck it. And this is pretty much almost done. Now I'm going to take my fish hook and I'm going to add my fish hook on, but I'm not done with this earring yet. I still have to add another piece. So I'm going to add my fish hook on, close that up. And then I'm going to go ahead and add on this piece here. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and make some spirals. This piece, I'm going to just give it a little indentation, just like this. Okay, and I'm just going to go around this a few times. Just like that. Still giving it some indentation. All right, that's the last one. I rolled it I did about 1, 2, 3 times, y'all. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my piece and I'm going to lay my piece just like this. And I'm going to wrap it around this where I twisted it. So I'm going to hold it like this and just wrap it around. Just like that. I'm going to wrap it. That's 1, that's 2. And I think I can get 3 in there. Yeah, so that's 3. So you're going to have some extra. You're going to have some extra left over, which is this piece right here. All right, so I'm going to take and actually bring this piece up and roll it a little bit more and then pinch it down like this. Okay. So this is what you are going to have. Now I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to bring it down, and then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and make some spirals again on my wire. And I'm going to roll it all the way down. Now, if you do have some nylon pliers, you can use your nylon pliers to do this process. But I'm going to take my fingers because I like using my fingers, and I'm just going to roll it just like this all the way down. Okay, keep going, keep going. And then I'm just going to push this up and bring that just like this. Okay, and here you have a beautiful, like an Afrocentric earring. And what you can do is you can use more coral shells, but I like this just like this because it's a different style. Okay, it's a couple of earrings in one. You got a couple of earrings here in one, but this is our end result. Okay, it took me like 10 minutes to make this. And if you have whatever type of shells you have or seed beads you have, you can do this in many different colors. You can make it as big as you want. You can actually make this earring pretty large. You can do it in a circle. You can do it in so many different ways, okay? So this was just a design that came to mind, and I just decided to share this all with you all, so you can definitely make plenty, okay? So with that being said, if this is your very first time, please subscribe. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. I would appreciate it so very much. And if you are new, subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to say thank you all for watching. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And until the next video, beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.